In this video, we'll see how to find out the median for the given data. Median means measuring the centralness. So out of the given data, the center value is called as a median. First, we'll find out the median for ungrouped data. So when the number of observation is odd, the formula is n plus 1 by 2th order of observation. So you have to arrange the values either in ascending or descending order. After arranging that, the value in the position n plus 1 by 2 is the median for ungrouped data. In case the number of observation is in even counting means the formula is n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So on applying this formula, we'll be getting the median for an even number of observation in the given data. Here is an example. We have to calculate the median of the following data, so which is related to the number of patients per day in the outpatient ward in a hospital. And this is the values. The first step is we have to arrange these numbers either in ascending or descending order. So after arranging the numbers in ascending order, then we have to see the number of observations counting, whether it is an odd number or even number, because based on that the formula will changes. Here the number of observation, that is n, is 7. So since the number is odd number, median is equal to value of n plus 1 by 2. Here n is 7. So 7 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is 4. The value in the fourth observation is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth observation is 150. Hence the median is 150. Here we have taken another example. This is the sales in lakh per month of a company in last 1 year, and we have to find out the median for these data. As usual, first we have to arrange these data either in ascending or descending order. Now we have arranged it in ascending order. Next is the number of observation. Number of observation n equal to 12, which is an even number. So when the number of observation is even, the formula is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. That is median is equal to, so n is 12 here, 12 by 2 plus 12 by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 12 by 2 is 6. So 6th value plus 12 by 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7th value divided by 2. 6th value in this observation is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6th value is 14 and 7th value is 15. So this is 6th value is 14 and 7th value is 15 divided by 2, 14.5. The median sale of company per month is 14.5 lakhs. Next is finding the median for group data where the data is metric continuous. The formula to find out the median here is L1 plus n by 2 minus CF. CF means cumulative frequency divided by F into I. So median class is nothing but the class in which the n by 2th observation lies. N is sum of the frequency. So you will be given with the frequencies there. So when you add up all the frequency, you will be getting the value of n, and n by 2th observation is the median class. And as usual, L1 is lower limit of that median class. And CF means cumulative frequency of the class prior to median class. And then F is frequency of median class, and I is class interval. Let us see how to calculate the median with an example here. Here is the example to find out the median for group data, which is metric continuous. Survey was conducted to determine the height of 50 pharmacists. The result of such a survey is as follows. So here out of this values we have to find out the median. And since it is metric continuous, first we have to find out the cumulative frequency. Only then we can proceed. Let us rearrange this tabular column in such a way to acquire the cumulative frequency. And number of pharmacists are here. The first frequency is 1, and to find out the second frequency you have to add this frequency with this 2 to get the new cumulative frequency, which is 1 plus 2 is 3. And to find out next cumulative frequency, add the recent frequency with 7. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Then add 10 with 8, it is 18. So this is how you want to get the cumulative frequency. Then you have to find out the median class. You have to find out the class in which n by 2th observation lies. And the value of n is summation of the frequency. So when you add up all these things, you'll be getting the value of n, which is 50. After getting n, median class is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So the class in which the 25th observation lies is the median class. So when you look at the cumulative frequency, the value 25 lies here. So after 18, which is from 19 onwards till 36, this is a class interval which hold the value, which is 62 to 66. So the median class lies here, 62 to 66. And let us recollect the formula. So from this tabular column, we get to know that L1, the lower limit of the median class. So median class is 62 to 66. 62 is the lower limit in this median class. So L1 is 62. So we found the value of n as 50. CF is cumulative frequency of the class prior to the median class interval. So here the median class interval is 36. So the frequency prior to this one is 18. F is the frequency of the median class. So this is the median class and its frequency is 36. And at last I, the class interval. The class interval of this classes is 4. Hence I value is 4. We got all the values. Let us substitute this in the formula to get the median of this grouped data. On evaluating this, we'll be getting the answer as 62.78. Here we are going to find out the median for group data, which is metric discrete. The formula to find out the median is value of n by 2th observation, where n is total number of frequency. Here is an example. And here we have to calculate the median of defective components for the whole of the production line. To find out the median, first we have to rearrange this tabular column in such a way to find out the cumulative frequencies. I have noted the value of the number of defective components in the first column and number of boxes in the second column. Now let us find out the cumulative frequencies of this. First value is 25. So write 25 as it is. You have to add this 25 with this 306, which gives the cumulative frequency as 331. Then add 331 with the next frequency to get the new cumulative frequency, which is 733. So this is the final cumulative frequency, which is 1000. And then we know n by 2th observation. So n is total number of frequency. You have to add all these values and it is 1000. Median is equal to value of n by 2th observation. So here n by 2, n value is 1000 divided by 2, which is 500th observation. When you look at the tabular column, the value 500 comes next to this 331. So after 331, before 733 is the 500th observation. So the value lies here. So this is the value where the 500th observation lies. The respective defective components number is 2. Median is equal to 2 is the answer.